My name is Rupinder Kaur, and me and my group members represent the presentation about Indian grey mongoose. The module title name is Diversity and Ovulation. Module code is NS4201 and module tutor name Woodmat. There are two members in my group, me and Navjot. Firstly, I am discuss about introduction of Indian grey mongoose. Indian grey mongoose, the introduction. Known as the fighter and the eater of the poisonous snakes, they can live up to 15 to 20 years and they are active their whole life. They live in India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, etc. Though they are good and at fighting against the snakes, many times they are eaten black mambas and cobras. Context of choosing this taxon. One of the people and greatest vertebrates of Indian that is helpful for protecting ourselves from the fear of snakes. This is one of the great opportunities to study about the Indian grey mongoose as there enough in the form in the formation collected through the the explanation of key features, morphological features, behavior feature, taxonomical class.
Hi, my name is Navjot Kaur and my student ID is 4008914. As you now know that I'm a member of the group of Rupinder Kaur as she is discussing about taxonomy of Indian grey mongoose. I would like to say first of all taxonomic classification that you know that kingdom means Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Herpestidae, genus Herpestis, and species is equal to Herpestis edwardsii. Indian grey mongoose is active their whole life and they live in many places. Still, they mainly found in these countries such as India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, etc. The classification of Indian grey mongoose is discussed in this section that will be based on the taxonomy of the mongoose. They belong to the kingdom of Animalia and their phylum is Chordata. They belong from the class of Mammalia and they are from the order of Carnivora. They belong from the main family of Herpestidae and their genus is Herpestis, where they are from the main species of Herpestis edwardsii. And next I would like to say about the food habits. They are mainly of pronostic hunters feeding some animals and birds such as lizards, beetles, snakes, ground birds, rat, etc. They also eat plants and their parts such as fruits, roots, berries, etc. Known as a prey in grasslands for searching the small mammals and snakes, also known as prey on grasshoppers, centipede, crabs, frogs, fish, scorpions, etc. Unlike other habits and behaviors, the food habits of the Indian grey mongoose are also interesting and unique in its nature. They are mainly opportunistic hunters feeding some animals and birds, where they hunt the different mammals and insects such as lizards, beetles, snakes, ground birds, rats, etc. They are not limited to the non-vegetations, but also they eat plants and their different parts such as fruits, roots, berries, etc. They are known as prey in grasslands, where they search the small mammals and snakes as their food habits, and they are also known as prey on different insects and small mammals such as grasshoppers, centipede, crabs, frogs, fish, scorpions, etc. They have elongate scales and special teeth to hunt that helps in the hunting, especially to cut the head of the snake and crushing the insects. Next, I would like to say about the relations with humans. They are kept, as you know, in humans as pets due to their capacity for fighting with snakes. They are human friendly, though it takes some time, but they are a good pet. This is state animal of a this is a state animal of a state in India named Chandigarh. Though they are protected, some people kill them for illegal purposes. Indian grey mongoose is observed in different areas such as cultivated fields, bushy vegetation, thickets, etc. They are also able to occupy the open areas and sleep in the holes of the ground and hollow trees that help them to escape the scorching sunlight of midi sun. In the Indian context, they are kept in many houses as pets due to their capacity for fighting with snakes. Their capacity for snakes fighting and snakes eating are the leading factors to the factor of keeping them as pets in the house. They are human friendly in their nature, though it takes some time. They are a good pet. Usually, they keep space from the human and it is difficult to grab them. But once they are caught and kept as a pet in the house, they are friendly with humans. This is the state animal of a state,